let's talk about the most common design mistakes that we see all the time. People are on Pinterest, everyone is a designer these days in DIY, but we have gone in thousands of homes, and in probably about 90% of the houses we go in, we see at least one of these mistakes. So we're gonna count you down, 5 all the way to 1, and number 1 is my absolute biggest pet peeve. All right, let's talk about number 5 on our list, which is the wrong scale rug. So primarily what we see here when we see the wrong scale rug is actually a rug that is just too small for the space. So an easy kind of way to know whether or not your rug is too small is if you have no furniture on it. It's too small. You need to go bigger. So all of your furniture on the perimeter needs to be half on it, half off, or really even like fully on it. So too small of a rug is number 5 on our list.
Number 4 for us is when all of the art in one space matches in terms of its media. So that would mean someone placing only canvases in one room that has all of these coordinating walls. We like to see a mixture where we'll do a canvas, a print, something textural, and then a mirror. That way it's dynamic no matter where you are in the room and you get a lot of different medias.
Number 3, slightly controversial. Not to us, we're very adamant about it, but is having too many throw pillows. So that's for living rooms, beds, anywhere there's throw pillows. Too many throw pillows is just too many throw pillows. It's not practical, it's stuffy, they get dirty because people throw them on the ground. So kind of for a typical sofa, you're gonna look at anywhere from 2 to 4 throw pillows max. For a normal sofa, for a bed, like a king size bed, anywhere from 2 to 4 throw pillows as well. You guys just don't overdo it. We don't need to be maximalists here. We want to be practical as well.
The number 2 design mistake that we see a lot is art that is not hung at the correct height. So often it's too high, occasionally we'll see it too low. For us, we typically like to have that middle line right at the eyesight, so 60 inches high to the center of the piece from the ground. We think that's the sweet spot, but that makes sure that everyone's enjoying it and no one's crooking their neck up or down to see the piece in the space. Before Brett gets to the big bad number 1, we want to remind you guys to like and subscribe. We work really hard to bring you this content, to bring little tips and tricks your way. So let us know below what you're loving, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see what we have up next.
All right, number 1, my all-time biggest pet peeve. Is it your biggest pet peeve?
Yes,
it's my biggest pet peeve. It's one of the reasons that we're in business, but it is having matching furniture sets. I will walk in a house and this it makes me itch a little bit. If you go into furniture stores, that's great. If you're not working with a designer, that's totally okay. But you want your spaces to feel curated. When a space has every piece of furniture matching, 1, it actually makes the space feel cheap, not expensive, not luxurious, not cozy. But it's not a real reflection of your style as well. So matching furniture sets are a no-no. Only 1 piece from a set, no more than that. That was our top 5 list of the most common design mistakes that we see happening over and over. That was only top 5. We can keep going to top 10, 15, 20. So we'll come back and hit you with some more. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.